What's going on, crew? Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Cilla.
And I'm Anthony.
And today we're fixing slime. But guess what, Anthony?
What?
Our mom is going to be creating her slime. And Anthony is here with me today because he's going to be fixing slime for the first time ever. So give him some good luck, guys. Before we have this video, make sure to go follow us on Instagram for shoutouts and to see more content.
And make sure you punch that subscribe button.
If you do it, you get a cupcake. And remember, we post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's get started. All right, Mommy, give us our first slime.
Okay, guys, are you ready?
Oh.
No. Anthony, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
This is your first time fixing slime. My slime. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's always horrible.
Did you make this by yourself?
Of course I did.
This is so bad. You're bad.
So, you're gonna lose brownie points. So the slime has different colors.
Yeah.
Trying to make a slime swirl or something?
Of course I did. You know how I love my slime swirls.
Yeah, I'm just saying, the colors are great.
Okay.
Let's fix this. We need to. Alright guys, so as you can tell by that color, it's kind of like a purple when you mix it all up together. So I kind of want to make it more brighter and more pigmenty. So I'm going to get some metallic pigment. Oh, what's that? Not that. I'm going to get like this pretty color. This is beautiful. This blue. It's really beautiful. And I don't even know what to do with that slime. Like, the texture is the worst part. But we obviously need our glitter. Our glitter is the best thing. So I think I'm gonna get some like purple glitter or some blue glitter. I think ooh, this is really pretty. Let's get this. All right, guys, the texture is horrible. So we're gonna get some foam soap and we need to clean that slime up with some, we also need some lotion. What else is there in here? I'm gonna get this lotion actually, and I think we're good. I don't know, that slime is just so bad.
Well, guys, I'm gonna get some pigments. What kind of pigment should I get? This one looks pretty nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Guys, which ones matches with this? Let me see. Looks like this one matches with it. Yeah, I'm gonna pick these two. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna get some lotion. And yeah, that's all.
Guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm just making a little mixture of foam soap and lotion.
Okay, and guess what? I have the best surprise ever.
Start. What?
You guys are timed.
No!
Yeah. 5 minutes. Let's go.
5 minutes?
Oh, that little rat! You copied all my ingredients except for my foam soap! You little rat! Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just adding my foam soap and my lotion to fix the texture up first. Don't copy me, little rat. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna add some.
What are you even doing? Oh my gosh. That's totally not gonna melt your slime. It's totally not.
Guys, I'm just gonna put some on the side. It's okay.
That's not okay.
Oh, no.
Oh. Well, we all know who's the winner gonna be. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more because it's still really hard. Like, what can we even put in this slime? So I'm gonna add more foam soap to clean this slime up. It needs a really big cleaning, super messy. Buddy, you should have got foam soap. It helps more.
Yeah, perfect. I like the texture now.
But it's not if you like the texture, it's if Mommy likes the texture because she is judging you and me. So you can't like the texture, Mommy needs to.
Hey, stop taking my slime stuff.
He's such a starter. He doesn't even know what slime ingredients are called. He just says slime ingredients. That's freaking lotion.
He's a beginner, Priscilla. Be nice.
Beginner.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna add my pigment. Just gonna put it in this little thing.
I'm gonna add my pigment too.
Stop copying me.
Look, the one who's talking.
Oh my gosh, well that's not good.
Open this for me. I said open the container, you little rat. open up.
You open the container and you stop taking my ingredients. It's in your hand. Open the container.
Thank you, goodness. She's a rat. She's a rat. I'm so sick of you. Anyways, we're adding my pigment. Let's make. I kind of like want to keep it a little purple, but like a pretty purple. Do you see how dull this purple is? That is not the purple we want. Not at all. Like that's just an ugly purple.
Oh my gosh.
Guys,
I'm gonna try to make this into like.
guys, come here. I don't even need to try hard. Look at this. There's not a single reason for me to try hard.
Thank you.
Go away. Stay with my ingredients.
My pigment's not mixing in. I'm not.
Because you got a green, you're putting it into a dull purple. Who does that?
It's a mermaid color, okay? Don't blame me. It's my first time here. Come on, work already. It's changing a little bit. I mean, that's more.
So since I can't really change my color either, I'm gonna like keep it like kind of like a marble, blue and purple marble. I think mommy will love that. Oops, that just spit out. Okay, whatever. That was gross. All right, so I love marble, and you know mommy loves marble too, and she might even think it's a slime smoothie. It's really perfect. She loves.
Mine's like, it's working out. Let me put some glue in there too.
Just saying. I'm scared. Anyways, I'm just gonna start making my slime swirl. But do you even know how to make one?
Yeah.
I bet your slime texture is totally okay.
What's right now,
All right, I'm done.
Up, hands up.
Hands up.
Wait.
Hands up!
Anthony,
Goodness.
Wait.
what's going on
No,
here?
wait,
You
no,
got
wait.
slime on your
No,
shirt,
no,
on your hair. What happened?
No, I'm not done with my finished product.
Well, that's too bad. It was
No.
fine.
Please.
Hands up.
No, please. Let me just do my swirl, okay?
Priscilla,
You can't compete against me. I'm better than you.
Priscilla, should we give him a chance to
No chances.
Okay.
Yes. Mommy's the judge.
Anyways, here's my slime.
No.
All right, finish your slime swirl, Anthony, but that's
You
it.
missed the slime swirl, but it's okay.
Ooh, that's really pretty from what the slime looked from. Ooh, Anthony.
No. Wait, no, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
Just project
Okay.
his.
Okay. But yeah, it looks really pretty.
Yeah,
I
wait.
mean, that
Yeah.
slime before was very ugly.
And this is stretchy.
Wow, it is. Good job, Priscilla.
Wait, hold on. You've missed something, the poke. I wish I was this good with Maddy.
Wow, that is amazing. All right, Priscilla, I give you an, let's say A.
Yay!
Yeah.
Where's the plus?
No, it's not a plus. Because it's nice, but not my favorite purple, so it's an A.
Oh my God!
Ooh, Maddie's gonna be really upset at you, Anthony.
But I'm done.
Oh, yeah, but, I don't know about that. That's a lot of glitter. Jeez, I thought Maddie uses a lot of glitter, but this,
Oh no, don't look. It's okay. I can do an ASMR for you.
yeah, but I have to grade it, Anthony, so I gotta grade the texture.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Ooh, that
Just
is really
poke it,
pretty, though.
poke it.
Come back alive.
Poke it.
don't leave
Poke
me.
it.
Wow, this color is amazing.
I know.
All right, let me stretch it, Anthony. Oh, fine.
Okay.
I
You
can't
can stretch
grade
it.
you.
You can stretch it.
All right. Oops. Yeah, it's stretchy. Good.
No, it isn't. That is
Let me
not
see if it
true.
has a poke. No poke.
Sorry,
Anthony.
too much glitter.
I'm sorry.
I mean, it's pretty and all, but I have to give you an A minus. Sorry.
No.
But good job for your first time.
Well, look at this.
Ooh, I love that design.
Wait. What was his grade? A plus, A minus?
Um,
A minus?
A minus,
Wait,
yes.
Alright, Mommy, give us our next slime. It's gonna be way too easy for me.
All right, here you go, guys.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Oh!
Yeah, it's just
My carpet! Oh, Anthony, this is not starting very well for you.
Oh, Mommy, what is this blue slime you got here?
I like it.
Okay, it's not even sticky. So, this mixture of hard and sticky slime, I love the mixture, love the smoothie. The colors are just
I
very
do love the texture. glitter. It's very stretchy,
You
a
do?
little. Yeah.
You like?
All right, you know how to fix it, Anthony?
Yeah.
All right, let's go and see.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna pick this slime. Who did think slime was an ingredient? So, yeah. I'm gonna go and get activator because that's a little bit sticky. I'm gonna get some.
Anthony, the activator's over here. Are you stupid? Ugh. Bro, you need a tour around this place.
Guys, I'm gonna get clear glue. Guys, I'm gonna get blue food coloring, but I'm not gonna put that much.
So for this round, I found this snow, and snow actually melts slime kind of, and that slime is really rubber, so I think it's a good idea to use some snow, and I haven't used snow in a very long time. Okay, and then for the color, that's just, the color just, it bothers me, okay? That color is horrible. Okay, and then for the color, I'm kind of want to get a dark color, but not, I don't want to redo like a blue. Maybe a purple would be good. Or actually, no, let's just do blue. Yeah, blue. Where's the blue at? Oh, here's the blue, mate. All right, mate, we can't forget, So, for our glitter, I think about, what glitter should I get? I think I want to get this really pretty blue glitter. All right, and then for the topping, I'm gonna get some of these stars, and then also, actually, will it take me too long? No, and then we're also gonna get some foam soap, and then some lotion, mate.
All right, guys, are you ready? 5 minutes starts now.
Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get 1 scoop of snow. Oh, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Wait, what are you doing?
No. I already made my slime to this, so you don't have to worry.
What? How's that pass?
Because I'm not.
Anyways, then we're gonna get some water. Put that in there. I don't know why I'm using the spoon. Just dump it in. Oh, phew! Close one. I thought I did something bad.
I'm gonna make some more slime. Okay, now activate.
All right, for me, I got all the snow, guys. Look at this.
Okay, that's too many.
Guys, what are you looking at? Why are you looking at him? What are you doing? What in the world are you doing?
I need this bone.
Gosh, so I'm putting my snow on here. So hopefully it melts. So when this melts, it's gonna make my slime much better. And right now it looks like, I don't know what it looks like. It just looks like a mess, a total mess. Oh yeah, a total mess. Add a little bit more.
It's
raining snow.
Cloud sky.
Tacos. No need to ask why.
Just
Open your mouth and close your eyes.
It's raining time.
You need nothing. Guys, I think it's getting stretchy, yeah? Do you agree with me? Bro, are those all the ingredients you got? Wait, what do you
Well, my slime is good.
How do you treat your slime like that? It's clear. It was opaque.
I'm gonna make this a little bit more darker too, and I'm just gonna add some more.
So I just. Uh-oh. Oh no. I think I accidentally did something.
Close your eyes.
Guys, that's too much. It's gonna help my slime. Like totally. Totally. So we're just gonna scoop that up with our bare hands.
Oh no. Guys, I added too much food coloring.
Yeah, and I added too much snow, but at least mine's getting better.
It looks uglier. So that looks pretty bad.
You know what? Your slime looks. Yeah. Do you even have any glitter or like any charms to go with that?
No.
It got so much stretchier. That was so easy. Now I'm gonna pick up all of the other snow so Annie doesn't steal it. Because I don't want him doing that. So I'm gonna don't mind me just picking up my snow, my property. All right, and now it's time to change this color. So we're changing it to a blue. So let's add some blue. Guys, don't you just love it, like changing the color of cloud slime? I just love cloud slime. I just think cloud slime's awesome. It's awesome. So it looks like it's changing, but turned very dull. Very dull. Very dull.
Nothing. I just need. Hey! No!
Nothing.
What's going on in here screaming?
Nothing. She stole.
I didn't steal anything.
Priscilla,
Wait, I didn't steal anything.
what'd you steal?
Nothing.
Okay, well, oops. Timer up.
Wait.
Timer up.
No.
What do you mean? Why did you say no, Anthony?
No, after
What's up? Anthony, I said put your hands up.
Okay.
Okay. All right, whatever. Priscilla, you go first then.
Okay. So
This is really pretty, actually. Wow,
Yeah.
and that brown color, very nice.
yeah. So am I gonna win again or something?
I didn't say that, did I?
No.
Okay, then I need to touch the texture. I need to feel how good it feels and satisfying. Ooh, but that is really pretty. I like that. It looks like a cloud slime. Is that right?
Yes.
Really pretty, and I do love those colors. Ooh, very nice. Not too much glitter, just how I like it.
Yep.
Okay, let me see if the stretch. Ooh, nice and stretchy. Let me see. Put your hands away, Priscilla. Ooh, Priscilla, your hands
helping
away.
you.
You don't need to help. Ooh,
My-
ooh, what's that?
Wait,
Is that stickiness right there
No,
on my hand?
no, look,
You
no,
know
let me
how
do
much
this
I don't like
because
that.
your hands are like so hot probably.
No, they're not hot. Let me do the poke. Move
You
your hands
pick it up
away.
fast. Pick it up fast.
Uh,
Faster.
Okay, well, can you
Faster.
move your hands? I can't do it fast.
I
Your
made
hands
it
are on the
sticky
way.
because it's a workout.
No. What, did you just steal something from Anthony?
No.
Okay.
Go. Not
All
poke
right.
it.
Okay.
No.
I will poke
No.
it.
This
So,
way.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna have to give you an
Oh,
F.
fine.
Okay. Well, then let me grade this because you cannot put your hands in there. It's my turn.
There you go.
Let me see.
changed.
Yeah, but you put something in there.
No,
You
I didn't.
cheated.
I
You
know.
cheated.
I was kneading it like this.
Okay, well now the texture is fine. But you cheated. Let me, okay, let's see what grade
I didn't
give
cheat.
you. I'll give you, on the slime, I see minus. Because you cheated.
Mommy, I'm done.
Ooh, nice. And I love that color. And you finally got the slime off your hands. Okay, well, let's see here, the texture. Oh, it's nice and stretchy. Oh my gosh. And this is glossy. This is a glossy slime.
Mommy.
Wow, Priscilla, be quiet. I need to do the poke, and I
Aren't you
cannot
gonna
have
question
you. Okay.
why how it's
You know what? I'm
clear?
gonna give you an F. I'm gonna
No,
give you an F.
it's clear. It's clear.
I need clear, please.
The slime was opaque in the
Okay,
beginning.
I'm doing the poke. I need quiet time.
Wait, and
I
look.
need no.
Look
I
at the
need
poke.
to. I know. I will do the poke. That sounds very nice. Let me do the poke. Ooh, it's so satisfying. I really love that slime. Very nice. Priscilla cheated. So yeah. Let's see here. Anthony, I give you.
What's this? That's hers.
That's yours, Priscilla.
How can I show you if it was mine?
You.
Look, mine's
You're trying to frame
opaque.
Anthony.
No,
I know
look
how
at
you
it.
are. You always frame Maddy.
Okay, if mine was
Priscilla.
I,
You cheated. You took his glue. You took his activator, and now you're trying to frame him with your. Oh, I can't believe you.
I
You know
can't
what?
believe
I'm
you.
changing the grade to F because you cheated.
no wait, I can't
Okay,
believe
F.
you.
F
Believe
for you.
Maddy and Anthony.
After you and Anthony, why are you giggling?
What?
Why are you giggling?
Well, because she lost.
Oh, how do you know you lost? Well, I guess yes, you did. You deserve an A+.
Yes! I